So guys, for the first step, you want to look in the bottom right of your taskbar. You want to click on the arrow. If you see anything here to do with Riot Vanguard, then you want to close it. For example, I've got right here, Riot Client. I'm going to right click on it and then exit. If you have anything else here open, such as like VG Tray, or I might be seeing Vanguard Tray, you want to close that as well. And if you have a Riot client game running, such as like Valorant or League of Legends, then you want to close it. Again, just right click on it. It's going to be saying exit for you, or it's going to be saying quit. Make sure that you close everything to do with Riot client on your taskbar. Next, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you run this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your C drive or your Windows drive. Double click on it. Now you want to open up program files. You want to find a folder called Riot Vanguard, double click on it. And you should then be seeing VG Tray. Double click on it, you want to run this. After you run VG Tray, Riot Vanguard will then be restarted and it will be turned on. That's how you do it.